Robert Kiyosaki's book Rich Dad Poor Dad is a guide to personal finance that also includes valuable lessons that can change your life. Unlike other financial books, it focuses on helping people develop a wealth mindset in achieving financial success. Lesson 1: The importance of financial education. One of the main messages is the need for financial education. While formal education can help you get a job, financial education can offer you freedom and wealth. Lesson 2: Assets versus liabilities. Kiyosaki emphasizes the need to understand the difference between assets and liabilities. In his terms, assets put money in your pocket, like rental income from real estate, while liabilities take money out of your pocket, like a mortgage or car payment. For example, if you purchase a piece of real estate, like a rental property, and it provides you with a monthly income after all expenses are paid, it's an asset. On the other hand, if you buy a new luxury car on a loan, you have monthly payments, maintenance costs, and it depreciates over time. This car is a liability. Lesson 3: Mind your own business. Rather than focusing solely on their careers, Kiyosaki encourages readers to invest time and money in acquiring assets. This could be in the form of real estate, online businesses, stocks, and so on. For example, instead of spending his bonus on a vacation or a new gadget, John invests it in stocks of a company that he's researched. Over time, dividends from those stocks provide an additional income stream. Lesson 4: The Rat Race. Most people work hard, earn money, pay taxes, and then spend what's left. Then they repeat the cycle, never breaking free from this rat race. By investing in assets rather than accumulating liabilities, one can generate passive income and eventually achieve financial freedom. For example, Sarah earns a good salary. However, each time she gets a raise, she upgrades her lifestyle: a bigger apartment, a new car, more lavish vacations. Even though she earns more, she finds herself still living paycheck to paycheck. She's stuck in the rat race. Lesson 5: Fear and desire. These are the two primary emotions that can keep someone in the rat race. The fear of not having money drives people to work hard, and the desire for items like new cars or vacations leads them to spend whatever they earn, rather than investing it. For example, Mike is afraid of losing his job, so he never takes any financial risks, missing out on potential investment opportunities. Simultaneously, his desire for the latest tech gadgets ensures he spends most of his salary, leaving little for savings or investments. Lesson 6: Work to learn, not for money. Poor Dad believes in the traditional route of getting a steady job with good benefits. Rich Dad, however, believed in acquiring skills and experiences, even if they don't immediately pay well, because they can be leveraged into profitable ventures later. For example, instead of taking a high-paying job straight out of college, Emma opts for a lower-paying position in a startup where she can wear multiple hats, learn various aspects of the business, and understand entrepreneurship firsthand. Lesson 7: Playing it safe keeps us stuck. Kiyosaki encourages a mindset of embracing risks and learning from failures. By taking calculated risks in investments and business ventures, one can achieve greater returns. For example, James invests in a friend's idea to start a cafe, knowing well the risks of new businesses. While the cafe struggles initially, James and his friend adapt by introducing themed nights and unique menu items, eventually turning it into a local hotspot. Lesson 8: Importance of entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki often talks about the difference between being an employee, or self-employed, and being a business owner, or investor. He uses the cash flow quadrant to illustrate these differences, where each letter represents a different way to earn income. E for employee, S for self-employed, B for business owner, and I for investor. He argues that in order to achieve true financial freedom, one should aim to move from E and S quadrants to the B and I quadrants. For example, Lucy works as a software developer. While she enjoys a steady paycheck, she realizes the potential in a niche market and starts her own SaaS company. Instead of trading hours for dollars, she now earns money based on her product's value. Lesson 9: Avoid the middle class trap. Kiyosaki suggests that the middle class often gets stuck in a cycle of acquiring more liabilities, like a bigger house or a new car, whenever they earn more money, thinking these are assets. These decisions keep them in the rat race. Instead, Kiyosaki argues for living below one's means and investing any surplus in real assets that generate income. For example, after getting a significant raise, Tom resists the temptation to buy a larger house. Instead, he continues living in his modest home and invests the extra money, growing his wealth. Lesson 10: The Power of Networking and Learning. Kiyosaki stresses that one doesn't have to be an expert in a particular field to succeed. Instead, by building a strong network and continuing to learn, one can leverage the expertise of others. He believes in seeking mentors, attending seminars, and constantly educating oneself to make informed decisions in the world of business and investing. For example, Priya, an aspiring real estate investor, regularly attends seminars and real estate networking events. She meets a seasoned investor who becomes her mentor. Leveraging this relationship, Priya avoids common pitfalls and accelerates her real estate journey. The book is as much about mindset as it is about financial strategy. Kiyosaki stresses that changing one's perspective on money, work, and life is a critical step toward achieving financial independence. Thank you for watching this video.